Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need a good everyday pen, then you may love this 4A ballpoint pen. This is a medium point pen. It is a 1 millimeter and it has a couple nice features. One is that it is super light, so it doesn't feel too heavy in your hand. It also has this nice rubber grip here at the bottom, so it's really comfortable to write with. And it also features smudge-free ink, so that is important. So when you're writing, it is very smooth, and even if you touch the writing or wipe it in some way, it's not going to smear all over the place, so that is really nice as well. It has a very smooth click action, so you're able to write and then not have to worry about putting a cap back on, so that is really nice. I love a retractable pen, and overall it's just a nice quality pen and great for everyday use. So if you're looking for some high quality pens, then definitely check out these ones from 4A. I've been really happy with them, and that is my point of view.